Hi guys. So whenever you're creating very complex workflows on Bitscale, often you'll find yourself in a scenario where you need to send data to a webhook. Now, it's a fairly simple process to set that up in your Bitscale grid, and in this video, I'll just show you how you can do that. We have two ways in which you can send data to a webhook. If it's a very simple webhook which just takes a post call, what you can do is just head to enrichment here, go to data toolkit, and you'll find the webhook option right here. Just click on that and you can just paste the endpoint URL where you're sending the data. For the sake of this video, I'll just take a general endpoint URL from here, paste it here, and then we can send whatever we actually want to send. So for example, I have enriched the LinkedIn URL here from email in this grid, and I'll just pass email, click on another key, and LinkedIn underscore URL. And then I'll just tag the two columns, right? So the first one would be email, obviously, and the second one would be the LinkedIn URL. Save. And if I run this, okay, success. So basically, it has sent the data to the webhook, and yeah, we have received it here. Email, LinkedIn URL, perfect. Another way in which you can use this, and it is sort of recommended from our end, is using the HTTP API integration. So a webhook is a basic post call, in a sense, an HTTP call. So what you can do here is, if you head to Data Toolkit, create an HTTP API integration. You can just select the method as post, paste the very same endpoint URL. So I'll just copy that once more from here. Another plus point that you might have while setting this up is, like, if there's any kind of authentication involved, you can set up headers, or usually webhook has their authentication in the URL itself, so there shouldn't be any issues there. And here I'll just send the LinkedIn URL. Save. Right. All right, perfect. We'll just run that. Okay, success. Also, this can help you like debug your webhook as well. So just in case, like, if you send a simple webhook request, it will just show you whether it failed or it was successful or not. But when you send an HTTP API request, you can actually debug this, like what is the status code, any kind of specific data structure that you had to follow, etc. And I think we should have received this here as well. Yep, the second call is here, and we just received the LinkedIn URL. So yeah, as far as like sending data via webhook is concerned, this is simply all that you need to set up on Bitscale. If you have any questions, do reach out to us. Cheers, bye.